Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm heading on out to my favorite spot, Home Depot. I gotta get loxons. They're called anchors, and they're 3/8, and I need to get a lot. And I need to build my railing, support it up with some 2x4s. That's it. And I have to figure out how to get everything up there again with more support. And if I do that side correctly, then I have to do the other side. I see up ahead a bike with a light. I'll get up there and show you what it looks like. Hang on. Hopefully I can make the lights to make it. That is neat, man. He put a whatchamacallit on it. He put a whatchamacallit on it, like a LED lamp and all. Oh yeah. So here we have is the ambulance that just came by. And people just want to walk in front of an ambulance. They do whatever they want. Come on, DJI! I do that video and you don't play. Now, I also got to get another pot. I have to get more potting mix. And I'm good to go with everything I need. Now, I'm doing this irrigation system and I'm having just a little difficulty of sliding the hoses where I need to go now. It takes a long time to do it, but it ain't going to be a problem. Come on, people. Drive like it's no tomorrow. Be like that guy there. Stay in the left lane. Go speed. How fast you need to go to be where you got to be at? Lightning speed? Oh yeah, here I am. My favorite place. Finally made it. Oh yeah, let's go get a wagon. Go get my potting mix. Go get my pot. And get my wood, get my anchor. I don't think I need anything else. I could have had one of these. Put it on cement. Backyard takes up a lot of space. Two for 15, 16, 24. It makes sense to get two of these. Compared to one of those. There goes my gazebo. Two of them, not one. Now, hang on. I got some wood. 2x8 by 12. Should have gotten 2 8x12. I got some 2x12s. I should have went for 2x16s. They don't have 2x10s. The most popular size is sold out. So yeah, I got everything I needed. I even got washers and bolts. Man, I had so much fun shopping. I had to wait for everybody to clear out of the aisle. There's like 7, 8 people first thing in the morning where I needed to be at. I bought a whole box of anchors instead of getting just the ones I needed. I got more than I needed. Not going to be sold out this time. Not out of stock. You see wood back of your car? Why do you go right on top of somebody's car? I don't get people, man. Now I got my project to do. Take my time, do what I want to do. Think about it and get it done. I really wanted to put 4x4s up there and put, all in there. And, it doesn't mean bigger wood better. I can always take 2x4s and double them up once I got my main pieces there. Well, we'll see what it looks like when I'm done.